we're the owners of Light and Dwell, and we just wrapped our Avenues Minimal project and worked closely with Dreamcast on this fire pit. The design of our Avenues Minimal project is very modern, very minimal, very streamlined, and so working with Dreamcast is a no-brainer. Their fire pit selection is amazing, it's very updated, it's very modern, and so we went with this very simple, round, bowl, open gas fire pit.
Dreamcast quality was really great. That's important to us when we're sourcing for clients. We want the best products that are going to last, and you're not going to be swapping it out for something else. And so Dreamcast really stands out to other fire pits that you can get out on the market.
Yeah, we'll definitely be using them for projects in the future.